Choosing the right project management software is a big deal. It can be the difference between a smoothly running team and a chaotic mess of missed deadlines and confused communication. Among the many options available, Wrike is a name that often pops up. But the crucial question for anyone, especially those new to project management tools or writing about them for educational purposes, is Wrike user-friendly? As someone who has spent years navigating the landscape of project management platforms, I can offer an in-depth, practical perspective, steering clear of overly technical jargon and repetitive phrases. Let's break down Wrike's usability, considering its strengths, weaknesses, and how it stacks up for different types of users. First impressions. Diving into the interface. When you first log into Wrike, you're greeted with a fairly comprehensive dashboard. It's not minimalist, but it's also not overwhelmingly cluttered, at least initially. The main navigation bar is typically on the left, offering access to key areas like projects, tasks, calendars, reports, and your inbox. For a seasoned project manager, this layout feels familiar and logical. However, for a complete beginner, the sheer number of options can be a little daunting. There are a lot of icons and drop-down menus, and it might take some time to understand where everything is located and how it all connects. The task management experience, getting things done. At its core, project management software revolves around tasks. Wrike excels in providing a flexible and detailed task management system. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, set due dates, add dependencies, attach files, and have discussions directly within the task. The different views Wrike offers, list, board, Kanban, Gantt chart, and table, are a significant plus for user-friendliness. This allows individuals and teams to visualize their work in a way that best suits their preferences and the nature of the project. For example, a visual learner might prefer the board view, while someone managing complex timelines will appreciate the Gantt chart. Creating and editing tasks is generally straightforward. The forms are well organized, and the ability to customize fields is a powerful feature, although it might require a bit of initial setup. Drag-and-drop functionality for rearranging tasks in the list and board views is intuitive and saves time. Collaboration and communication. Keeping everyone on the same page. Effective project management hinges on seamless communication. Wrike offers several features to facilitate this. The ability to comment directly on tasks ensures that discussions stay contextual. Tagging team members at mentioning is simple and helps to draw attention to specific points. The proofing tool is particularly useful for teams that deal with creative assets. It allows for direct annotation and feedback on images, videos, and documents, streamlining the review process. However, the sheer volume of notifications can become overwhelming if not managed properly. While Wrike offers customization options for notifications, new users might need some guidance on setting these up effectively to avoid inbox overload. Project organization. Structuring your work. Wrike provides a hierarchical structure for organizing projects. You can create folders, projects, and spaces to group related work. This flexibility is a strength, allowing teams to tailor the structure to their specific needs and workflows. However, this very flexibility can also be a point of confusion for new users. Understanding the difference between folders, projects, and spaces and deciding how to best utilize them requires some initial learning and planning. Wrike offers templates to help with this, which can be a valuable starting point. Advanced features, powering up your project management. As you become more comfortable with Wrike, you'll discover its more advanced features, such as automation rules, custom workflows, and robust reporting capabilities. These features can significantly enhance efficiency and provide valuable insights into project progress. However, these advanced features often come with a steeper learning curve. Setting up complex automation rules or creating custom workflows requires a deeper understanding of Wrike's functionalities. While the potential benefits are significant, new users might find themselves relying on tutorials and support documentation to navigate these areas. Mobile accessibility, managing projects on the go. In today's fast-paced environment, mobile accessibility is crucial. Wrike offers mobile apps for both iOS and Android, allowing users to stay connected and manage their tasks on the go. The mobile apps generally mirror the core functionalities of the web version, allowing you to view tasks, update progress, communicate with your team, and receive notifications. While the mobile experience is generally positive, the smaller screen size can sometimes make navigation a bit more challenging, especially when dealing with complex projects or detailed task information. Learning curve and support resources. Getting up to speed. The learning curve for Wrike can be moderate. While basic task management is relatively intuitive, mastering its more advanced features and understanding the optimal way to structure your projects within the platform takes time and effort. Fortunately, Wrike offers a wealth of support resources to help users get up to speed. These include a comprehensive help center. This provides detailed articles and guides on various aspects of the platform. Video tutorials. Visual learners will appreciate the step-by-step video guides covering different features and workflows. Webinars and training sessions. Wrike often hosts live and on-demand webinars to educate users on best practices. Community forums. Connecting with other Wrike users can be a valuable way to learn tips and tricks and get answers to specific questions. Customer support. For more complex issues, Wrike offers customer support through various channels. The availability of these resources significantly contributes to Wrike's overall user-friendliness, as users have ample avenues for seeking help and guidance. Who is Wrike best suited for? Considering its features and usability, Wrike tends to be a strong contender for growing teams and businesses. Its scalability and robust feature set can accommodate increasing complexity. Teams that require a high degree of customization. The ability to create custom workflows, fields, and reports makes it adaptable to various industries and project types. Teams that value collaboration and communication. The built-in communication tools and proofing features enhance teamwork. Users who are willing to invest time in learning the platform. While it might not be the most immediately intuitive tool, the long-term benefits of mastering Wrike can be significant. However, for very small teams with extremely simple project needs or individuals looking for a basic task management tool, Wrike's extensive features might feel like overkill. There are simpler, more lightweight options available. Areas for improvement in user-friendliness. While Wrike offers a powerful platform, there are areas where its user-friendliness could be enhanced. Initial onboarding. Streamlining the initial setup process and providing more guided tours could help new users feel less overwhelmed. Notification management. Improving the clarity and control over notifications would be beneficial.